Hey guys, welcome back to the Merchant Navy. Today I will tell you about ranks in Merchant Navy along with their duties. As you all know, there are mainly two departments in Merchant Navy. Deck department, concerned with navigation and cargo operations, and engine department, concerned with all the machineries on board a ship. There is also a catering department which has chief cook and steward, whose duties is to prepare food for people on board. Stewards' tasks are cooking, serving meals, sweeping, and maintaining living quarters of the officers, apart from helping the chief cook.
Look at me. I'm the captain now.
Captain is the owner's representative and is the final authority of the ship. The deck department consists of captain, chief officer, second officer, third officer, deck cadet, and in deck ratings are bosun, who is the head of rating staff, AB, and OS. Chief officer is second responsible person after captain for deck department. Executes order of the captain at operational level. Also, he is responsible for cargo operations. Second officer. Second mate is responsible for charts and publications on board and their maintenance. He is also medical officer responsible for upkeep and administering all medical related services on board. Third officer or third mate is in charge of life-saving appliances, firefighting appliances and equipments on board. He also has to prepare all port documents. Deck cadet. He is a trainee officer on board under chief officer. His sole job is to learn and apply skills to become a skilled officer in the future. Bosun. Bosun is head of rating division on deck and carries out the scheduled work on deck with orders from chief officer. ABs and OS assist deck department maintenance work. Now comes engine department. Chief engineer is HOD or head of this engine department. Then comes second engineer, third engineer, fourth engineer, fifth engineer or engine cadet. There is also an electrotechnical officer on board. In engine ratings, there is engine fitter, motormen and wipers. Chief engineer is head of engineering department on a ship. Chief engineer gives order for operations and maintenance of ship's machinery system and is responsible for engine room department. Second engineer. Next position after chief engineer is second engineer and is assigned job to look after machineries ordered by the chief engineer. Job is supervising proper functioning of all engine room machinery systems and assign jobs to other engine officers and crew. Third engineer is assigned jobs to look after machineries ordered by chief engineer and reports to second engineer. He also carries out watchkeeping. Fourth engineer is concerned about correct working of the machinery systems assigned to him and he also carries out watchkeeping. Fifth engineer or engine cadet is trainee under second engineer and is assigned and learns while observing and carrying out activities in the engine room. ETO or electrotechnical officer's main responsibility is maintenance of ship's electrical system and works directly under chief engineer. Fitter lays out and fabricates metals and structural parts. Motorman and wiper perform jobs assigned by second engineer and also assists in engine room maintenance work. Captain, chief officer, chief engineer, second engineer and ETO are managerial posts and are part of management committee